Am I the only one that didn't know how to fix Redmi Note 11 brightness? Here's how to make your screen shine again. First things first, let's tackle your settings. Open up Settings, then tap on Display. Look for brightness level and use the slider to adjust it manually. Try toggling auto brightness on and off to see what works best. If you've got sunlight mode, give that a shot too. Next, check your screen protector. Make sure it's not messing with your brightness. Also, clean the ambient light sensor near your front camera. Battery saver mode can dim your screen too. Turn it off and see if that helps. And watch out for third-party apps or themes causing interference. Disable them if necessary. Finally, ensure your software is up to date. Sometimes a simple update can fix bugs. And don't forget to restart your phone. Often, that's all it takes to iron out glitches. Still having issues? Seek professional help to get your screen shining bright again. And there you have it. Your Redmi Note 11 should be glowing in no time.